Today we display Refine RS8901 spray gun. Atomizat ion adopts revolutionary technologies. Aluminum gun body is fully forged with nose seamless, durable, and pressure resistant. The surface of the gun body and knobs are anodized, acid and alkali resistant, and easy to clean. The nozzle and gun needle are made of wear resistant, corrosion resistant, high strength stainless steel, and have a reliable lifespan. The standard nozzle diameter is 13 mm, ensuring the stability and consistency of atom. 1025 superfine atomizat ion paint particles more finely and evenly. The spray width can be adjusted freely. The package includes spray gun 1, cup 1, spanner 1, T-hex key 1, female air connector 1, brush 1, manual 1. Let us take a look at his atomizat ion performance. The atomizat ion performance is very good, and the coloring is even.